Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Dr. Neha Ronald William, will going to discuss about social and health education. Social education plays a vital role in society. Education, institution, universities, colleges take part in society in different aspects. That is in the people's intellectual development, politics, economics, and several other fields. Society is a group or community of people bound together by same tradition, institution, or nationality. Consents a general agreement among all members of a particular society, culture, shared belief, and values of group of people. Conflict is a clash between ideas, principles, and people. Health education. For promotion of health related activities, health education is an important part. These activities are done in school, workplaces, and communities. Behavior of individuals plays a vital role in the development of many health problems and influences the development of nation. Health education is a professional and scientific field. For communities' health, health education is an essential way to provide information about health, due to which community or individual use that information for their own protection. Health education changes the attitude in positive way and promote and makes people aware about health related issues. Principles of health education: motivation, learning by doing, interest in participation, community leaders, good human relation, feedback. Physical health. Physiological functioning of body means physical health, and an individual are considered healthy when all body present at their natural place and position, doing their functions properly in desired manner. Mental and emotional health. The way of thinking and expressing your feelings and thought means mental health, and good mental health is developed by thinking positively and expressing yourself in a healthy way. Social health. Social health means having respect for them and building relations with individuals, communicating with them. Importance of health education: increases the quality of life for all individuals, decreases the premature death. Physical development is essential for mental development, reduces mortality rate, bring positive attitude behavior among towards people. Health guide the people regarding proper use of health services. Health education help individuals to take rational decision to solve their own problem. Participation in health development programs. Food in relation to nutrition and health. Nutrition is a field of science which is associated with nutrients, nutrition, growth, development, regulation, and repair of the body. Nutrition may be defined as the process by which an animal or plant takes in and utilizes food substances. Essential nutrients include protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamin, minerals, and electrolytes. Nutrition, the study of food. Food is a substance which contain nutrients. Nutrients, substance which can be digested and used by the body. Micronutrients are usually vitamin and mineral. A sufficient of all micronutrient is required for optimal health. Macronutrients are the nutrients which supply energy and calories and are essential in large quantities to maintain body tasks and to carry out the activities of everyday life. Healthy diet and nutrition: having healthy food is essential for proper functioning of body. Having proper amount of diet is essential, and improper diet may cause health related issues. A balanced diet promotes nutritional health. A healthy diet and exercise reduces stress. Healthy diet can help to boost your immunity and resistance to many diseases. Include fruits and vegetables in daily diet. Don't skip breakfast. Keep yourself hydrated. Healthy diet and mental health. Mental health problems are associated with poor diet. Ways to protect your mental health: take time for yourself, educate, rest, and sleep, manage stress diligently, eat healthy, exercise adequately, share concern and worries with friends and family, think positively, and try new things. Healthy diet and cancer. High amount of saturated fats in diet may cause colon and prostate cancer. High fat intake may cause breast and rectum cancer. All types of cancer are related to dietary component. Ways to protect yourself from cancer: regular intake of fruit rich in fiber content vegetables and substances containing antioxidant and vitamins like carotene, vitamin C, vitamin E, retinol, which are potential anti-carcinogenic agents. Healthy diet and skeletal disease. Intake of diet poor in calcium may cause osteoporosis. Intake of excess amount of alcohol and smoking habits cause osteoporosis. Osteoporosis symptoms are generally observed in adult. Ways to protect yourself from skeletal disease: consume calcium rich diet, for example, milk, yogurt, fish, eggs. Increase uptake of vitamin D, salmon, tuna, sardines, supplements, sunlight, etc. Healthy diet and chronic diseases: generally slowly progressing and long-term diseases are called as chronic diseases. Generally observed in individuals of developed countries, chronic diseases occur with intake of affluent diet. Example of chronic diseases: heart disease, stroke, cancer, diabetes, etc. Ways to protect yourself from chronic disease: maintain healthy diet and consume adequate amount of all the nutrients in water. Consume nutrient rich food. Maintain body weight. Don't skip meals. Include fruits and vegetables in your diet. Avoid junk food. Exercise daily. Proper sleep. Healthy diet and dental diseases. Sugar has causal association with dental caries. The association is particularly strong during childhood with sugars that are consumed in between meals rather than with meals. Intake of excess amount of sugar diet may cause dental problems. One of dental disease is gum disease, and it is the main reason behind tooth loss. Reason behind development of gum disease is lack of brushing and flossing. Ways to protect yourself from dental diseases: to protect dental diseases and gums, consume healthy vegetables and fruits rich in calcium, folic acid, vitamins, and mineral. Daily brushing and daily flossing can avoid gum diseases and dental diseases. Thank you.